Are you facing challenges in tables, listings, figures? Why reports fail? Number 1. Understanding the Statistical Analysis Plan, SAP. Challenge. The SAP is the foundation for TLF creation. Misinterpretation of statistical methods, endpoints, or population definitions can lead to incorrect outputs. Impact. Delayed timelines and rework due to non-compliance with the SAP. Solution. Collaborate with statisticians to clarify analysis requirements and ensure a shared understanding of the SAP. Number 2. Handling complex data structures. Challenge. Creating TLFs often involves intricate SAS programming logic, such as deriving variables, handling missing data, applying statistical tests, and generating customized outputs. Impact. Increased programming complexity and higher risk of errors. Solution. Use modular programming techniques to break down complex data manipulations into manageable steps. Number 3. Compliance with regulatory standards. Challenge. TLF outputs must align with regulatory standards and submission requirements, such as consistent formatting, proper handling of missing data, and adherence to guidelines like ICH E9. Impact. Non-compliance can lead to regulatory rejections or requests for clarification. Solution. Implement validation checks and ensure outputs comply with industry and regulatory standards. Number 4. Data preparation and integration. Challenge. TLFs require clean, consistent, and analysis-ready datasets, e.g., ADM. Issues such as inconsistent formats, missing values, or unclean data from upstream processes can complicate programming. Impact. Significant time is spent debugging data-related issues instead of focusing on TLF creation. Solution. Conduct detailed data checks before starting TLF programming and ensure traceability from SDTM to ADM. Number 5. Handling iterative changes. Challenge. TLF requirements frequently change due to protocol amendments, SAP updates, or stakeholder feedback. Impact. Repeated updates can disrupt timelines and introduce errors into the programming logic. Solution. Implement robust version control and change management processes to track and incorporate changes efficiently. Number 6. Statistical and visual complexity. Challenge. Some TLFs, particularly figures, e.g., Kaplan-Meier plots, forest plots, involve complex statistical analysis and require advanced SAS procedures like proc-life test or proc-SG-plot. Impact. Incorrect coding of statistical methods can lead to invalid interpretations of study results. Solution. Collaborate with statisticians to validate statistical methods and outputs, and leverage SAS Graph or ODS for advanced visualizations. Number 7. Managing derived variables. Challenge. Many TLFs require derived variables, e.g., duration of treatment, change from baseline, that involve complex logic and assumptions. Impact. Errors in derivation can compromise the integrity of outputs. Solution. Clearly document derivation rules and validate derived variables with multiple team members. Number 8. High volume of outputs. Challenge. Trials often require a large number of TLFs, each with specific requirements for different study populations, time points, and endpoints. Impact. Risk of inconsistencies or missed outputs increases as the volume grows. Solution. Automate repetitive tasks using macros and standardized template creation for TLFs. Number 9. Version control and reproducibility. Challenge. TLFs are often revised due to protocol amendments, data updates, or regulatory feedback. Maintaining version control and ensuring reproducibility can be difficult. Impact. Risk of generating outdated or inconsistent outputs. Solution. Use version control systems, e.g., Git, and implement robust programming practices for reproducibility. Number 10. Dynamic data handling. Challenge. Ongoing data cleaning and incremental database locks mean that data inputs change over time, requiring dynamic and adaptable programming approaches. Impact. Outputs may need frequent updates, increasing workload and the potential for errors. Solution. Develop dynamic and parameter-driven programs that can accommodate evolving data inputs. Number 11. Custom formatting and presentation. Challenge. TLFs must meet strict formatting requirements, including footnotes, column alignment, and statistical annotations, which can be tedious to program in SAS. Impact. Formatting issues can lead to non-compliance with sponsor or regulatory expectations. Solution. Use ODS features in SAS to standardize formatting and generate polished outputs. Number 12. Integration of multiple data sources. Challenge. Clinical trials often involve data from diverse sources, such as central labs, EPRO, electronic patient-reported outcomes, and imaging systems, requiring careful integration. Impact. Misaligned or incomplete data integration can affect the quality of TLFs. Solution. Perform rigorous data reconciliation and implement quality checks before generating TLFs. Number 13. Validation and quality assurance. Challenge. Regulatory submissions require TLFs to be error-free, which necessitates independent validation of all programs and outputs. Impact. Lengthy validation processes and high scrutiny on every detail. Solution. Adopt a double programming approach, independent reprogramming, and use automated comparison tools to validate outputs. Number 14. Handling missing data. Challenge. Missing data is common in clinical trials, and the treatment of such data, e.g., imputation methods, varies by analysis requirement. Impact. Incorrect handling of missing data can lead to misleading results. Solution. Collaborate with statisticians to define appropriate methods for handling missing data and document these methods in the SAP. Number 15. Adapting to protocol changes. Challenge. Protocol amendments or updates to the SAP can introduce new variables, analyses, or populations requiring TLF updates. Impact. Increased workload and risk of introducing inconsistencies in outputs. Solution. Implement flexible modular programming techniques to accommodate changes efficiently. Number 16. Tight timelines and resource constraints. Challenge. Deadlines for regulatory submissions often leave limited time for TLF development, validation, and review. Impact. High-pressure environments can lead to mistakes or missed deadlines. Solution. Plan TLF development in parallel with data cleaning and leverage reusable code to save time. Number 17. Regulatory and sponsor audits. Challenge. TLFs are subject to scrutiny during regulatory audits, where any discrepancies or missing justifications can result in findings. Impact. Audit findings can delay approvals and damage the sponsor's credibility. Solution. Prepare audit-ready documentation and ensure traceability from raw data to final TLFs. Number 18. Communication and documentation. Challenge. Miscommunication between statisticians, programmers, and data managers can result in unclear requirements or incorrect outputs. Impact. Delayed timelines due to rework and misunderstandings. Solution. Maintain clear documentation of requirements, assumptions, and decisions, and conduct regular team meetings to ensure alignment. Number 19. Learning curve for complex procedures. Challenge. SAS has advanced procedures and features like PROC-SG Panel or PROC Report that may require a steep learning curve for new programmers. Impact. Inexperienced programmers may struggle to meet quality and efficiency expectations. Solution: provide targeted training and mentorship to team members to enhance their SAS programming skills. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment mentioning any topic that you want me to make a video. Looking forward for your positive response. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Leave a feedback comment. Many thanks for your support and having great connection.